Why Bata? Why not Campus? Why are you buying Patanjali and why are you not buying Britannia?
Simple logic, Nikunj. I think Bata as a market cap, as a market share, is only going to grow, and the aspiration to move from Campus to Bata is very, very evident. Secondly, Bata's expansion on, like I said, their change in model of contract sourcing has been a very, very big plus point as far as labor and union things. And I think Bata fits the bid perfectly for a comeback in rural incomes and spending capacity. Patanjali purely on the back that their brand expansion, their margins, and the type of businesses which they are in. I think in the acquisition of Ruchi Foods and so on, that is going to see very, very handsome comeback. I am very, very overweight on both these stocks, and we don't want to chase 60 times at Britannia. We think Britannia is a good fit to buy, but I would be putting more money in, like I said, in both these names. I'm not bearish on Britannia, by the way. I think Britannia becomes a very good target for being one of the most sought after takeover games because of their inherent low equity base of a promoter. And that could be the card on the cards over a period of time. But Nestle continues to be my top pick in the large caps, and Marico, and Patanjali and Bata in the mid and small cap.
Bhasin Saab is saying is precisely that point we are discussing in Swadesh, like QSR, footwear. These are categories which are not compulsive categories, but these are categories which are aspirational categories which will do well when the base effect of inflation starts to wane away and when you have more disposable income, which I think is kicking in after 3 or 4 years of these extraordinary situation. एक साल monsoon था, उसके पहले inflation था, before that it was COVID. So these factors I think are something which have really dented the pockets, some of these niche pockets. So in that same spirit, Bhasin Saab, I think V-Mart retail, D-Mart, they should also come back.
Correct. I think DMart, but that we are playing through Reliance Retail, and I think Reliance Retail itself suffices. By the way, Reliance has moved from that 2,300 to 3,000 on the back that retail, Geo ARPUs, and their other solar energy and defense plays. Their EV, their other businesses are doing extremely well. So we'd rather pay that to Geo and Reliance Retail. We've had a buy on Geo from 230 levels and Reliance from 23 levels as a disclosure, and that has played out very well. But like you said, Nikunj, the real money will be made in these names which have a marquee name and which have underperformed for whatever unforeseeable reason. And I think Patanjali, Bata, and Nestle at the top will fit in that bracket perfectly.